We start with breaking news out of Idaho, where prosecutors have filed to seek the death penalty against the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jessica Janner Castro.
I'm Steve Solis. This comes as Bryan Kohberger is set to appear tomorrow in court to fight the grand jury indictment in this case. King 5's Joyce Taylor is in the newsroom now with what we know so far. Joyce.
Steve, Jess, late this afternoon, the Latah County Prosecutor's Office filed court documents saying it will seek the death penalty. Prosecutors say that decision is based on current evidence against Bryan Kohberger. He is charged with 4 counts of first-degree murder in the deaths of Madison Mogan, Kaylee Gonsalves, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin, who, as you know, was from the Mount Vernon area. The murders happened in November in a house just off the University of Idaho campus in Moscow. Now, in order to seek the death penalty in Idaho, prosecutors must show they can prove aggravating factors in this case. In new court documents, the prosecuting attorney wrote that they are seeking the death penalty for several reasons, including the especially heinous, atrocious, or cruel aspects of the crimes. Now, according to legal experts, pursuing the death penalty will slow down the trial process. They also say finding a jury for a capital case could take weeks.
When we're selecting a jury for a capital case, if somebody indicates that they would be unwilling to impose the death penalty, that they're morally opposed to it and couldn't do it, that person wouldn't be qualified to serve on the jury.
In Idaho, the jury must come back with a unanimous decision on the death penalty. Otherwise, the defendant receives an automatic life sentence. A judge previously entered a not guilty plea on Kohberger's behalf as he stood silent at his arraignment. Now, as we mentioned, Bryan Kohberger is expected to be in court tomorrow for a hearing to dispute his grand jury indictment. That is scheduled for 1:30, again, tomorrow in Moscow. His lawyers are also now claiming other male DNA was found at the crime scene. Ahead at 4:30 tonight, we're going to look at those latest claims in the Kohberger case. For now in the newsroom, I'm Joyce Taylor. Back to you.